Now, young cousins, 13-year-old Ollie and 11-year-old Harvey Roberts, there they are, have been inspired by their grandfather to set up their own business. Nothing particularly unusual in that, you might think, until I tell you the line of work they're in. They're blacksmiths. Carol Green has been to their workshop in Wrexham to meet them.
A labour of love. The PlayStations are paused whilst Ollie and Harvey master a more ancient craft.
For the start, I lost them just in front of my PS4 and I tried something new and now it's really good and carried it on.
What have you made?
We've made most things on that table behind us, and there's just some more things in my house and in his house that we made for our parents and stuff.
Was it difficult to get started?
To get started, yeah, but soon got into it and it's become easier and easier for us to do.
You're keeping the boys busy here?
Very busy at the moment, yes. They've been, it's been going on for 12 months or more now, and it's, it's something that they enjoy doing, so it is busy, yeah.
You've got a wealth of experience to share with them.
Well, I wouldn't exactly say it's a wealth of experience. I served my time as a blacksmith welder in Brumbo Steelworks. I was there for a number of years. It closed in 1989 and 1990. Yeah, so but it was a good learning experience for me to serve my time as a blacksmith there.
And the blacksmith family trade stretches back 6 generations. The tools too have been handed down, father to son.
Well, I started working with my father at Acton Smithy when I was 14 years of age. I was a farrier as well, so we were shoeing horses. And then I had my own blacksmith shop in Wrexham on the Beast Market for 20 years. I'm delighted that these boys have decided to take it up, and their enthusiasm is absolutely amazing. I'm quite thrilled about it all.
It's gone on for 6 generations in our family and hopefully keeps going on and on. We've learned loads, better than being in school, I think.
Just put a tack on the bottom there.
And what's it like being taught by your granddad?
It's good. I feel a lot more comfortable being taught by someone I know than being taught by like a teacher at a club or something.
What marks would you give him out of 10?
100.
Oh, that's kind. What marks would he give you out of 10, do you think?
Don't know, not a clue. 100 as well.
I'm sure he would. You better get cracking on with your work.
Yep.
Carol Green, ITV News, Wrexham.